Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, and today we are going to continue talking about how we can memorize our quick facts to help us recall multiplication from memory. I hope you have been practicing at home and you are at least up to mastery of your fives. I hope you have been having fun practicing. All right, so today we are going to be talking about eights, nines, and tens. So for eights, I have attached a video, and it is the same guy who did the three songs, but today is a song all about them eights. Count with me or something. It's to the tune of Meghan Trainor's song, All About That Bass, and it is lots of fun. So please take a look and it will help you remember your eights, okay? I've also included a video about a nines trick. And some of you may have already learned this in school, but it's a way to use your hands to help you figure out your nines. So there's a little girl on the video that is going to help you figure it out. So just to go over it really quickly, what you do is you lay your hands in front of you and then think about if your fingers were numbered, okay? And you always start on your left side. So if you were going to do 9 times 2, you would, and this only works with nines, only nines, and it only works up to 9 times 10. It doesn't work for 11 or 12 because we don't have 11 and 12 fingers. So if I had 9 times 2, I would fold down my second finger. So this finger right here would get folded down. And what you do is you count all the fingers that are to the left of the folded down. So you only have one here. So that's what goes in the tens place. And then you count how many fingers you have to the right of the folded finger to see what goes in the ones place. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up still, so 9 times 8. Oh, 9 times 2, sorry, is 18. Okay, so let's try that one more time. We'll do it with, let's do 9 times 6. So if I put down my 6th finger, which is right here, which will actually be your thumb on your right hand. So to figure out what goes in the tens place, you're going to count how many fingers are remaining up on this side to the left of that 6th finger. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 50 something. And then the ones place is what's up on the right of the down finger. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 times 6 is 54. Yay! All right, so the other thing we're going to talk about is our tens. Our tens are actually pretty easy. So a good rule to think about when you're multiplying anything times 10, so anything times 10 is you're just going to take that anything and stick a 0 on the end. So I'll show you what I mean. 6 times 10. So you're going to take whatever's here and put a 0 on the end. 6 times 10 is 60. Easy enough, right? All right, so let's change what's in the box. Ready? Let's put, I don't know, 18. So all you do when you're multiplying something by 10 is taking that something, 18, and then you stick a 0 on the end. So 18 times 10 is 180. You getting it? All right, so let's try one more. Ooh, let's try a bigger number in the hundreds. 523. So I'm just going to take my 523 and stick a 0 on the end. So my answer is 5,230. Awesome. So please keep practicing your quick facts so that way you can be a multiplication magician. All right, another way I wanted to show you that could be fun at home to practice your quick facts is by playing a game. So all you need for this game our dice and something to write on. It could be paper, it could be pencil. Oh, and someone to play with you. So all you have to do, and this is called rows and columns. So basically you're making a race, is you're going to roll your dice. I have a 4 and a 3. So for my turn, I'm going to draw an array that is 4 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 in each row. So for my first turn, my score is a 12. So then, if I'm playing against someone else, it would be their turn to roll. Okay, so this person, they have a 4 and a 5. So their roll is 4 times 5. So all they're going to do is, oh, maybe this player doesn't want to make circle arrays. Maybe they want to make a square array. So they're going to do 4 by 5. 1, 2, 3. Let's just extend that just a little bit. 4 and 5. It's not very neat, but that is a 4 by 5 array. So I can count by 4s, or I can count by 5s. So 5, 4s would go that way. 5, 10, 15, 20 equals 20. All right, and you can keep going back and forth for as long as you have, for as much time as you have. And at the end, you can add up the scores to see who scored the most. Okay, and another piece you could always do to help practice your fact families is you could then turn this into a fact family and write your fact family that goes with it. So remember, when we're writing our fact families, we're just going to turn this around to do 3 times 4 equals 12. And remember that when we are multiplying, the product then becomes our first number, or our dividend. And we have 12 divided by 3 or 4. So I put a 3 on that one, so I'm going to put a 4 here. And then the same. Switch it around. Can you see? 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Okay, so over here, we can switch these around, our factors, and do 5 times 4 equals 20. Same product. And then we can take our product and do 20 divided by 4 equals 5, and then our dividend again, and switch them around. 20 divided by 5 equals 4 to get our full fact families. All right, guys, well, have a great time, and I hope you get to play this rows and columns game. Okay, see you tomorrow.